Hey guys, today we're doing a 100 special. So we got this balloon right here. Meow. Forget about the freaky shit I do. Let's pop it, but I'm really scared. You don't have to subscribe, but this was a really last minute Zooble cosplay. A really last minute. Because you can see this. Popping it. 3, 2, 1. But wait. Like and subscribe. No, please. You can subscribe if you want, but you don't have to. 3, 2. Wait, I need to ask my parents for permission first. Y'all, she said yes. 3, 2, 1. Also, if your ears get triggered really easily, please scroll or turn down your volume, because this is gonna be loud. 3, 2, 1. See you on the flip side. Zooble. Let's do another one. Because I'm like that. Zooble side. See you on the flip side. Zooble side. See you. Flip side. My mom's probably gonna get jump scares from this. Anyway, it's gonna be the last one until I end this video, okay, guys? Also, tell me what to do for my next 200 special. Oh, was that 200 or last one. 3, 2, 1. Turn on your volume. Bye, guys. See you in the next one, and maybe I'll be cosplaying as another character from the Amazing Digital Circus. Give me some ideas. Bye, guys.